the heart of this holistic experience lies a drive system that was re-engineered from ground up.
With all BIO, we went from a mechanical motor with gears to a frictionless magnetic drive system. This was a real breakthrough for our team. This drive is super quiet, it remains calm in your hand, and at the same time we improve performance. All energy is transferred directly into the tip of the bristles to induce gentle yet effective micro vibrations. They are not only helping with the cleaning action, they also create a surprisingly enjoyable brushing experience.
At Oral-B, we want you to get the most out of your brush. That's why we focused heavily on assisting technologies, such as our smart pressure sensor. The green light shows that you apply optimal pressure, while the red light indicates that you're brushing too hard. This positive reinforcement helps you in achieving cleaner teeth, healthier gums, and of course, a pleasant experience.
We saw a huge opportunity in improving the brushing experience as a whole. But to turn our vision into reality, we knew we had to start completely from scratch. And that's what we did with the new Oral-B IO.